Some time ago, certain Android users began receiving official emails from Google with a surprising update. Google revealed that its artificial intelligence, now called Gemini, previously known as Google Bard, has been given much broader permissions on your phone. This includes the ability to interact directly with your apps, such as Messages, WhatsApp, and even your device's notifications. Google says this upgrade is part of its plan to expand Gemini's capabilities and deliver a smarter, more seamless user experience. But this naturally raises two big questions. Does this affect your privacy? And if so, how can you stop Gemini from accessing this data? Stay tuned until the end, because we'll break down exactly what's changing, why it matters, and the step-by-step process to turn it off, if you choose. What does it mean when Gemini can read or interact with apps like Messages and WhatsApp? According to Google, Gemini can now understand your daily phone usage in a much deeper way. This includes reading regular SMS messages, accessing WhatsApp chats, knowing which apps you open and when, seeing the notifications you receive, even pulling certain data from inside those apps. The goal? To let Gemini act like a hands-on assistant. For example, you could say, "Open the last message from John on WhatsApp. Turn off Bluetooth." And instead of just showing you where to do it, Gemini will perform the task instantly. However, here's the part that caught many people's attention and concern. In the updated policy, Google states that some data may be reviewed manually to improve services and enhance security. In plain language, this means certain information handled by Gemini might be looked at by a specialized team at Google. While they say it's for quality and safety, it naturally makes people ask, is my privacy really protected? Why did some people receive the email and others didn't? The rollout is gradual. Not every device is getting it at the same time. On some newer phones, Gemini has already replaced Google Assistant automatically. In many cases, the switch happened quietly in the background, so some users have it running without even knowing. How to stop Gemini from accessing your app activity? If you decide this level of access isn't for you, here are two ways to turn it off. Method 1. Through the Gemini app. 1. Open the Gemini app if available on your device. 2. Tap your profile picture in the top corner. 3. Select Gemini app's activity. 4. If it's turned on, tap Turn Off. 5. Confirm your choice. Method 2. Through Google Settings. 1. Go to your phone's settings. 2. Scroll down and tap Google. 3. Select Manage your Google account. 4. In the search bar, type Gemini Apps Activity. 5. Tap Go to Gemini Apps Activity. 6. Press Turn Off twice to confirm. Once you do this, Gemini will no longer track or interact with your app usage in this way. In today's world, privacy is one of our most valuable digital rights. Whether you keep this feature on or turn it off is a personal choice, but it's important to understand the implications and review your settings regularly. For some, Gemini's new powers might feel like a helpful upgrade. For others, keeping full control over personal data will always be the top priority. Share this video with anyone concerned about online privacy and drop a comment. Do you already have this feature? Will you keep it on or turn it off, and why? See you in the next video.